Okay, got 7.5 the sides. We will make a 7.5. I make this ring, and if we make a 7.5, I will start at about 8. So here, start at 8. See, I repeat 3 times of the band on the ring side stick. Yes, 0.8. This design always use 0.8. Okay, it's copper wire, but it's non-tarnish. Here, you can learn here. If you want to start a business, you can try the ring in copper wire. Then move. It come a circle like this. Then tight it here. This way. Tight. Wrapper. Here. Okay. Then we cut away the extra of the wire. Tight it, and here the ring is still the sides. Why it keep the sides? Because I tight here, let it not move. And we want a size 7.5. Now it's in about the size near the size 7.5, but more near the 8. Okay, move away here. Then we're going to fold it tight here like this. Okay, fold. Wrap this way here. Wrap this one. Wrap. Okay, then we're going to wrap the you see I fold here. I'm not let the top wire go through here. 20 gauge Wendy. Yeah, thank you Dennis. Here, then we wrap and wrap. Cut a extra wire. Then we tight it. Okay. Then we check the sides. So it is a size 7.5. We finished. If you make, remember, if you make the ring 7.5, you start at 8. Because here we wrap the 2 note, it take the space, so it will be a little bit smaller. I don't remember if I have a box. Yanni, you have a box. How much is that stick? It's $8. You can find it ring sizer. You can find it in my shop as well. It's $8. Okay, 7.5. It's a little bit small for me. Here, this one.